Jackson.
What is it?
It's in. What? It has iPhone 3G. What the heck?
That's what it is.
It's like on an iPhone. What the heck?
You're using it as an iPod.
You
Is
can't
this
make
for me?
you can't make calls on it.
What is this for me?
Yeah.
An iPhone?
You're using it as an iPod though.
You
Like
can't make
Oh,
calls.
don't break
You already,
it.
it's broken. It's cracked.
You gave me an iPhone? Okay, I guess that's good.
It's as an iPod.
Do you like it?
iPhone, Jackson.
Yeah, but she can't call it like that.
Wow, great gift, Mom. He's gonna break it the first day.
He's so excited.
I know it.
He's shaking. So
I
Evan,
thought
you
he was gonna
can
get it from Santa. But
Yeah,
he
I
didn't.
know. But I
you
got
can
an iPhone
take
instead.
pictures. You can't make any calls.
So I can't call you guys?
No.
No. We're not going to activate the phone part of it.
Oh, wow, thanks.
You can activate it in 4 years.
Okay, we'll take it back.
No!
Well, you can take
You
pictures.
put all your
of
games
what
and stuff on there.
like in,
Yes! Finally! You guys can have my iPod now. I'm not gonna use that. Yes!
All right.
What is this?
Okay, let Grandma open her
Is this a
present,
Coke
please.
okay.